Okay, on the same side of that worksheet, we're on the back page, the last section underneath moles and molecules. We're going to do another example of how you would do a multi-step molar problem. And so in this problem, problem number 1, we're given 44.8 liters of N2, and we want to convert that into molecules. So what we're going to do is start out with what we're given. Now again, looking at your molar roadmap, see if there is a way that you could convert directly from liters to molecules, and you will see there is not. And so what we're going to do is just to change liters to what we can change it to. So if you look at your roadmap, you can directly convert liters of a substance to moles. So we're going to do that. Using your roadmap, you would see that you would use the conversion factor of 22.4 liters of N2 is going to be equal to 1 mole of N2. So now what we've essentially done here is we've converted from liters to moles. Notice our liters cancel out. And so now what we want to do is convert from moles to molecules. That's what our problem is asking for. And so if we want to convert from moles to molecules, we're going to simply set up another conversion factor. And if we want moles to go away, that means we're going to put moles on the bottom here, and then our number of molecules would go on the top. And so if we're going from moles to molecules, there is always, if you look at your molar roadmap, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, molecules, particles, atoms, it's all the same. In this problem, they just refer to them as molecules in 1 mole. So from here, now you'll notice our moles here cancel out, and so what we're left with in our units is molecules, which is good. That's what we wanted. So now we're just going to treat this like one long multiplication and division problem. What we have is, so if we set this up here, we're going to multiply across, so multiply 44.8 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. Now it's very important when you do that in your calculator that you put parentheses around 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. If you don't, the order of operations will get messed up and your answer will be completely wrong. So once you're sure you have that into your calculator correctly, and you've multiplied by 44.8, then you divide by 22.4 because that's what's in your denominator. So multiplying across and dividing by what's on the bottom is going to give us our final answer, which is going to come out to be 1.20 times 10 to the 24th, and our units are molecules of N2. So not incredibly difficult, it's just one more step into getting the final problem, but essentially all we're doing is multiplying and dividing and punching into our calculator.